Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
There's a lot of fear. They feel that wildlife sanctuary came, they had a lot of problems. They feel if the tiger reserve comes, that they'll have major problems. Let me tell you, there are a lot of issues pertaining to core and buffer, and there are a lot of layers there to the tiger reserve. Whether Goa has that type of space, सगळ्यात पहिली लोकांचो इंटरेस्ट म्हाका प्रोटेक्ट करूंक जाय. पीपल एंड द फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट एंड द पीपल हैव टू कोएग्जिस्ट.
अगर आपने टाइगर रिजर्व नोटिफाई किया तो ये जो लैंड है वो टोटल फ्रीज हो जाएगा, टोटल लैंड फ्रीज हो जाएगा. अभी आपको संधि है, अभी प्रोपोज वाइल्ड लाइफ है, हमारा जो कल्टीवेशन है वहाँ तो नेचुरल फॉरेस्ट नहीं है कल्टीवेशन में, तो वो लैंड पहले बाहर आना चाहिए, डी नोटिफाई होना चाहिए. अगर ये डी नोटिफाई होता है तो जो बचता है वो प्योरली फॉरेस्ट लैंड बचेगा. वहाँ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, किसी को प्रॉब्लम है, गांव के लोगों को भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम आप क्रिएट कर रहे हो, जो रॉन्गफुल जो चीज़ें आप कर रहे हो. पहले आपने वहाँ का जो प्रैक्टिकल ग्राउंड लैंड है वो डिपिक्ट नहीं किया है. कितना फॉरेस्ट लैंड है नोटिफाइड एरिया में, प्रपोज वाइल्ड लाइफ में, कितना कल्टिवेबल लैंड है, कितना लोगों का वहाँ घर है, कितना लाइव स्टॉक है,
ये डिमार्केशन नहीं हुआ
है.
So unless and until you provide utmost protection, the legal protection to the forested area, it is highly impossible in democratic country like India to protect the water resources. The 43% of Goa population get water through the single river, that is Mandavi, which is called as Madai in Sattari Taluka. And the most of the tributaries of this river, you can take the case of the Khandepa river, which is called as Dudhsagar river. It originates in the Western Ghat area of Karnataka in Kai Tiger Reserve. So Karnataka converted the Dandeli sanctuary into tiger reserve, and that is why you can see a beautiful, the majestic waterfall of the Dudhsagar. So gift of the Karnataka to Goa is the Dudhsagar waterfall. So whatever water which is coming through the forest of Karnataka, right from Degaon, Gawali area, that is the gift of the Bhimgad Wildlife Sanctuary to Goa. There are 31 villages inside the Mahadev Wildlife Sanctuary. Okay. Whatever cashew plantation presently the people are possessing, so their activities will be continued. So there is the core zone area or the buffer zone area. If the tiger reserve is constituted, then there will be the core zone area. So in core zone area where rich forest cover is there, no activities like this will be allowed. But buffer zone or where the villagers are having the possession of the cashew plantation, the horticultural plantation, agricultural activities, everything will be allowed just like the normal.